Hello teachers, welcome to this tutorial. In this case, we're going to learn how to use Gimkit. So go to Google and write Gimkit, and the first option is going to be the right one. Okay, so you go to Gimkit and you sign up with your email account. That's easy to do it. But in my case, I already have my account, so I'm going to log in. And the same like is asking me or is requesting me to continue with Google is the same when you sign up. Okay, so I already have two activities here. Now I'm going to start a new one, and I'm going to add the name, the language, and the subject. Maybe you want art, communication, computer science, all of these options. Okay, in my case, English and language arts, I'm going to do a reading comprehension, so I'm going to add that name. Okay, and this is my title, so I go next. Here I can add a cover photo because it's comprehension or it's a reading. I'm going to add an image that is related to my activity. I'm going to choose a question, and here I'm going to start with my questions according to my reading. Okay, so I'm going to add my question and the answers. Here I can change what is right, what is wrong, okay, or anyone. Yes, I have to choose one. Okay, so I'm going to fill out this one and we're going to continue. Okay, here I add my question and the possible answers. Okay, what is Mark going to do next Christmas? This is my question, and the answers or the options are here. Here I'm evaluating grammar too. In this case, future going to, and I select the right answer. I click here where it says add, and I have my first question. I'm going to add another one. In this case, the right answer is going to be the third one. Okay, I can add photos or audios. It depends on what you want to evaluate. Okay, in this case, I'm evaluating reading. So the question is going to be about the lecture. Okay, this is my second question. Is Susie going to play the piano? This is related to the reading. No, yes, she is. Yes, she plays the piano. Okay, I'm evaluating to reading comprehension. So here students are going to think on analyze. Sorry, they are going to analyze the right answer. Okay, so then I'm going to click here where it says add, and I can add more questions. Okay, more questions, 10 or 15. When I finish to do the same step, I'm going to click here on all done. This is my activity. So we have two options: play live, like in a live session, or assign as homework. I think and I consider play in a live session is better, okay? Because you are given or instructions, you are playing your emotions, you're giving your support at the same time. Okay, I recommend you to play in a live session. Okay, so if you play in a live session, you are going to choose here the options or environments, but in this case we're going to choose the classic one. You are going to select the time, if you want to play 1 minute, if you want to play 5 minutes, or 3 or 10, and then the music, clapping hands, you can set up these tools. Then we are going to continue, and in this case we're going to start with, or we need 2 players. Okay, just to have fun we need 2 players. So I'm going to go here. This is the students. The student is going to join a game, and they are going to enter the code. What is the code? Is this one. Okay, so let's write it. Okay, here. We join the game, our name, okay, the student's name. We join into the game. Okay, something happens here. Let's check. Okay, now I'm already in the game, so students are going to see this screen. And in our case as teacher, we see this one. Okay, we have one student here, so we can start the game. Okay, we're going to start the game. We just click here where it says start the game. Okay, so here we just have one student, but the funny thing is that we can have a lot of students in there. Okay, this is how the student is going to see it. What is Mark going to do next Christmas? He's going to go to church. Okay, the student is going to earn money, okay, during the time 5, 10 or 15 minutes, but I recommend you to play just like 5 or 10 minutes, no more than that. Okay, let's continue. What is Mark going to do next Christmas? He's going to go to church. Okay, I have $2. I continue. What was the answer? He is going to go to church. Okay, 3. Is Susie going to play the piano? Yes, she is. Okay, so this is how my student is going to develop. Now we have $10. Here we can see the list of students, and we're going to how they are going to go up. Okay, this is feedback instant, and that's the advantage of this tool and all these tools. So we are giving them prizes. In this case, they are not winning points, but they are earning money. So it's another option. Okay. I hope you like it, and I invite you to use this amazing tool. So let's create your own. See you.